Okay, so it doesn't look like anybody's going to join me live. Could be I put it up there too early, but well, not long enough time for you to look at it. So let's get started. We're going to do Lab 4 for you guys. As I haven't done this one yet, so let's get going. So this is super exciting. I hope everyone's doing well in your other classes as well. Most people are doing pretty well in this one. As always, if you ever have any questions for me, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm here for you guys. Try to guide you through the fundamentals of cybersecurity. So I was hoping we get some live people so I can answer real time, but maybe we'll do something. Maybe we'll try this again with a little more notice for you guys. So let's see what we're doing. Doing network topology using group policy objects and Microsoft Baseline Security Analyzer for change control. Okay. Oh, I've done servers before. It's been a little while, but I have done them before. So, all right. So let's jump right in. Yep. Tool suites. Yep. As the name implies, group policy. Yep. 4 parts, which should be completed in the order specified. In the first part of the lab, we'll use group policy objects to strengthen the organization's password policy. I remember that. Okay. So we're going to create an Active Directory group policy. Okay. Strengthen the network's passwords to pull a new GPO. Okay. Alright. Let's get started. So this moved it on to steps, which is the actual, more or less how you actually do it. So workstation, if desired, file transfer button. Okay. All right, part 1. So we're going to go to RDP. Okay, we're opening our remote desktop, which is, I'm guessing this is going to be another server. Okay. I don't think this is anything like that. Oh. No, we do not want to do that. Okay. FileZilla not needed. Okay, right click on the Windows Start icon. Search. Group policy management, obviously. Click group policy in the management. Okay. There it is. Okay, so we're going to talk, this is talking about our forest, which is going to be made up of domain sites, our group policy, and our results. see. Tool click forest. Expand it. I think we can make this window bigger. Think we can move this. There we go. Okay. So click on the group policy management console. Okay, we've done that. Group policy objects. Oh, nope, domains. No, that's right, domains and that. Here we are, group policy objects. Okay. Group policy objects, we're going to do new. We're going to call this password weird password GPO. Okay. All right. Oops. Like that. So this is where we can actually go in there and change stuff. Okay. That's pretty cool. I remember this. Okay, right click that. We're going to go to edit. This should bring us up. There we are. Okay, so we should be doing, we're going to be doing, let's see, we're doing user management, or we're going to be doing computer. So this gives you the where we're going. So we're going to go to computer configuration, policies, Windows settings, security settings. Then we're going to do account policies, password policy. Okay, so in the right page we're going to have our list of what we can define. And I got all of that from right here. Hopefully the recording is better than the stream. I think the stream's kind of laggy, but so we look at this, and this shows us where, kind of where we're going to drill down to. So we're going to double click the password must meet complexity. So double click that. We want to define this, which is essentially is saying, we're going to turn it on. I think whenever it's turned off, it's automatically set to disabled, but this essentially kind of gives you a double step in case you accidentally click on something. So we're going to define the policy as enabled. We're going to apply that. I'm not going to click on the explanation tab because I know what that is, but for you guys, this kind of tells you what you have to do. So we're going to set that. Okay. This is on, no, we're on 20. We're going to do minimum password length. We're going to define that, and I think, what does it have us do? Type 8. So we're going to at least 8 characters. We're going to apply that. Okay. Okay. So this is a point where it wants you to do a screen capture. So I always do Windows key snip, and of course that doesn't really work on this, so it's best to come down here and actually, let's go back to desktop. There you go. It's best to go back here to your actual, because if you hit Windows key on the Windows box, obviously you're going to hit the Windows key on the Windows box. So go to your computer, hit the Windows, hit the Windows key and hit snip. And then I'm just gonna do new, and really all I need is this right here. And there's your snip. You can save it to your desktop, and or if you have a folder that you're doing this on. So there's that. Okay, so we're going to close the group policy manage editor. What else are we doing? Okay. In a group policy management console, right click securelabs.com on the left. Link an existing GPO. So we're going to go here. Securelabs.com, link an existing GPO. Password is GPO. Okay. So all the users on this domain are going to have to update their passwords to meet your requirements. That's what a group policy does. Group policy is essentially saying, if you apply it to the domain, everyone in the domain is going to have to do it. If you apply, you can apply it to subgroups. You can say, accounting guys, you have to do this, or network guys, you have access to this. So if you're ever working at a job and someone says, "Hey," I'm not sure this little. I have a chair that's trying to massage some of the knots out of my back, but it's just loud and it's hot. So what a GPO does. So if you ever working at a job and someone says, or you say, "Hey, I need access to this share folder," and they moan about it and like, "Oh, it's so much work. It's going to take me a while to do that." All they have to do is add you to a full a group, and that group will have access to the certain GPOs and certain things that allow you access to that share folder, or they can just go to the share folder and add you. So that's actually happened to me right now. So I'm a little salty about it, but let's see, where else are we doing? Okay. Yeah, right click. I'm going to save report. Some of these aren't super clear. I think they're expecting you to have some knowledge of server, and that's kind of silly. I'll talk to them about that. Oops. So I'm just doing what the directions say. Okay. Sorry, my son got some shots today, and he's pretty salty about that too. So, all right. What's up next? Okay. Alrighty. When prompted, so. Click on that. Allow blocked content. Show all. I'm going to mute my volume real quick. babies, am I right? Okay. So, you guys hear me? There it goes. Okay. Sorry, I couldn't see it on the little list over here. Okay. So, this is when you just show what's enabled. And it shows that your group policy is enabled. So this is a way to check that. So we close this. So we're just going to try it. It needs to go there. Okay. Close the File Explorer window. Close the remote connection. Okay. Close the RDP folder. And we can file transfer that to our computer, because I'm guessing it's going to be somewhere. Where is it? Security strategies. C. Security strategies. Web security. And yeah, that sure isn't it. Maybe I put it on the D drive. Oh, nope, there it is right there. It's staring at me in the face. Okay. Oops. Alright, what did I do? Okay, so we can transfer this file transfer. We can transfer that folder to our actual computer. So that's step one. Because I was hoping there'd be some people streamed, so I can interact with you guys. But I think that's all I'm going to do for here. I don't know. If you guys watch the video, let me know. I don't think there's a whole lot of views on my other videos, so I don't think I'm going to do much more. But if you guys are still having issues, you can email me and we can set something up. I can talk you through it, or I can give you some more examples. But these are fine for someone like me, because I've done all this stuff before and I kind of know what they're talking about, what they're getting to. But I mean, even you guys saw that I kind of had to pause and think about it. So it's a good way to get you guys to learn it, but it's not a great way to. They need to rework it a little bit, but I don't know. Let me guys know what you think, and see if I have any video on there. Nope, I had none. Okay, so sorry about the short notice on this, but hopefully you guys can watch this and learn a little bit. We'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.